Africell Tips and Tricks team. We're going to see how to extend the battery life of your smartphone and tablet. Let's dive in directly. Set your screen brightness to the lowest level and enable auto brightness. Consider to shorten your screen time out and use dark mode display to save your battery life. Close unused apps and remove apps that you don't need as they consume power even when not in use. Limit push notification for non-essential apps and restrict apps from using location services. Enable battery saving mode and check your battery usage regularly. Try to install light version of apps if available and avoid using live wallpaper and animation themes. Use the right charger that came with your device and avoid overcharging. Try to keep your battery level between 20% and 80% to maintain battery health. Implementing these tips and tricks can help you extend the battery life of your smartphone and tablet. Apply them frequently. See you in the next episode with more tips and tricks.